What's happening in the state of Tamil Nadu? We just told you that it's the second worst affected in the country. Number of cases has crossed the 50,000 mark, and that's why the EPS government has gone ahead and decided to relock 4 of the worst affected districts in the state, and this includes Chennai. This relockdown has in fact kicked off at midnight, and the 12-day lockdown will in fact see a host of relaxations being lifted and curbs being brought back. And relaxations were brought in post June 3rd after, of course, the entire country saw a phase of unlock. All essential services are exempted as part of this relock phase. We break down what you need to know about this lockdown in Chennai and other districts in this report.
The Tamil Nadu government has rolled back its relaxations in capital Chennai and 3 adjacent districts: Kanchipuram, Chengalpattu and Tiruvallur.
This movement restriction will allow us to do an intensive contact tracing, intensive search of symptomatic people who are not having contact but may be showing symptoms.
Barring hospitals, laboratories, ambulances, pharmacies and funeral hearses, there are restrictions on most other activities. People are allowed to buy vegetables, groceries and other essential items only from shops that are within 2-kilometer range from their residence. The shops will be allowed to function from 6 a.m. till 2 p.m.
It's a good thing to lock down because it's day by day it's increasing. So if you keep lockdown, so it may come reduce, and where the affected peoples will lock in the place.
I just really don't think it's a great idea. I think the first 2 lockdowns were great, and I think that's why we are flattened. We didn't reach the peak like Brazil, for instance. And I think right now it's not going to make a difference.
Restaurants are permitted to provide takeaway services from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Vehicles transporting necessary items will have a free run in the city, but only with valid ID and passes. Auto rickshaws, taxis, cabs will not be allowed to run in the city except in emergency cases.
கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்கு. வாடகை கட்ட முடியல, வண்டி டியூ கட்டணும், இன்சூரன்ஸ் எஃப்சி ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு.
A day before the relock, toll plazas and checkposts were clogged as several people rushed to exit Chennai. Airport operations and train services will not be disrupted and will continue as per standard operating procedure. The police have made it clear that lockdown violators will be booked and their vehicles will be seized. Tamil Nadu is the second worst affected state in the country, with the figures now over the 50,000 mark. The relock till the end of June is the state's bid to stop the coronavirus spread.
The state capital Chennai and 3 neighbouring districts are going to go into an intense lockdown for a course of 12 days. Tamil Nadu has crossed 50,000 cases of the COVID-19 virus in the state, and the government is doing this as a measure to tackle the outbreak. With video journalist Devendra Rajkumar, this is Shalini Lobo in Chennai for India Today.
Akshay Nath is joining us live from Chennai with more details on the story. Akshay, good morning. If you could just sum up for Chennaiites what they need to keep in mind now as far as this relock phase is concerned.
Well, good morning, Akshita. What we're seeing here is that once again, the state of Tamil Nadu, especially in the 4 districts of Chengalpet, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram and Chennai, will have complete lockdown. So people here in the city and the neighbouring 3 districts have already experienced this complete lockdown. It is almost similar to what we had seen during lockdown 1 and 2. People are not allowed to venture out unnecessarily. People who want to travel within the city itself will have to get permission from the Chennai Corporation population and the police officials, and they've also said that there will be very restricted movement. So people have been asked to only get essentials from within a 2-kilometer radius. So walkable distance shops or where they can travel within a few minutes is what they have very particularly stated. And speaking to the Health Secretary of the state, what we got to understand is that this is a measure that has been brought into place to flatten the kind of outbreak which is happening. They don't want these numbers to increase. So yesterday what we had seen in Chennai is a 2,000 plus cases reported, and that kind of a scenario is not what the state government wants. So this intense lockdown is aimed at bringing out all those symptomatic patients and all those people with symptoms of COVID-19 out. So this is like a quarantine period for all the people in the city of Chennai and the neighbouring 3 districts. Akshita.
All right, Akshaya, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll have to see if this particular relock phase is successful in actually flattening the COVID curve in Chennai. It's a wrap on this edition of First Up. Thanks very much for watching.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.